Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to suppress background noise from your microphone on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on this smile or emoji icon down below on the right side corner. Scroll down to the app settings section and click on voice. After that, scroll down a bit to the voice processing section, and here you can find the noise suppression feature that will suppress background music or noise from your microphone. Here you have three options: crisp, standard or none, so click on the relevant one, thereby enabling this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.